Hello everyone, welcome to Wonder Garden, the place where every day we care for and admire orchids in full bloom, showcasing vibrant colors full of life. At Wonder Garden, every leaf and every plant holds its own story. A story of patience, gentle care, and love for the plants. From these simple actions, orchids gradually become healthy and bloom consistently over time. In today's video, I'll share with you a completely natural, easy to follow, and safe method for caring for orchids. With proper and consistent care, your orchids will bloom beautifully, displaying their colors gracefully, bringing joy and tranquility to your garden and to yourself. Let's get started. Before fertilizing, I usually water and soak the orchid pots in clean water for about 20 minutes. This allows the growing medium and roots to become fully moistened, making the roots softer and more flexible, thereby minimizing root shock when they come into contact with the nutrient solution. When the roots are fully hydrated, the orchid can absorb fertilizer more effectively, allowing nutrients to enter the plant gently and safely. This is a very important step, especially for orchids that are weak or have wilted, wrinkled leaves. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. While the roots are soaking for 20 minutes, we can take this time to prepare a natural fertilizer. For today's fertilizer, I will use a small piece of bread like this. Tear the bread into small pieces and place them into a clean glass cup. Bread contains B group vitamins, starch, and easily decomposable nutrients. When soaked in water, it creates a very mild solution that helps stimulate root activity, supports weak orchids in recovering, and does not cause heat buildup or root shock. This is why bread is especially suitable for orchids with wilted, wrinkled leaves or plants that have become weakened after repotting. The next ingredient I use is aloe vera. Aloe vera leaves contain natural gel, which is an excellent source of nutrients for helping orchids recover from wrinkled, dehydrated leaves. The gel inside aloe vera helps provide moisture gradually, while supplying gentle nutrients, allowing orchid leaves to slowly become plump again, reducing wilting and helping the plant regain its natural vitality. When bread and aloe vera gel are combined, they create a very gentle organic fertilizer, ideal for caring for weak orchids, newly recovering plants, and orchids that are in the stage of restoring both leaves and roots. After placing the bread and aloe vera gel into the cup, add 500 milliliters of clean water. The clean water helps gradually dissolve the nutrients in the bread and aloe vera gel, creating a mild solution that is safe for orchids. Stir the mixture well. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. This amount of time is enough for the natural nutrients to be extracted into the water without making the solution too concentrated. After 10 minutes, I will strain out the solids and keep only the clear extracted solution. This is the purified, easily absorbed nutrient solution, ready to be used for caring for and restoring orchid plants. After soaking for the appropriate amount of time, I lift the pot and let it drain naturally without shaking or forcing it dry. At this point, the plant is ready to move on to the next stage of care using natural fertilizer. Method 1. Wiping orchid leaves. First, pour a small amount of the filtered solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth to lightly soak up the solution and gently wipe both the upper and underside of the orchid leaves. When wiping the leaves with the bread and aloe vera gel solution, the gentle nutrients are absorbed directly through the leaf surface. Aloe vera gel helps provide quick moisture and soothe wrinkled or wilted leaves, allowing them to gradually become plumper and healthier. Meanwhile, the natural vitamins and minerals from bread help boost resistance and support better leaf recovery after a period of weakness. Wiping the leaves also helps remove dust, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively. As a result, photosynthesis improves and the plant grows more steadily. You can apply this leaf wiping method 1 to 2 times per month. When done regularly, it helps keep orchids clean, healthy, and quick to regain their natural vitality. After finishing wiping the leaves, I add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to the remaining fertilizer solution. Next, add 1 liter of clean water and stir well until the vitamin B1 dissolves completely. Vitamin B1 helps stimulate new root growth and supports faster recovery, especially for orchids that are weak, have poor root systems, or have wrinkled leaves due to lack of vitality. When properly diluted, the solution becomes mild and safe, allowing orchids to absorb it well without causing shock or root damage. Method 2. Misting orchids. Next, pour the vitamin B1 mixed solution into a spray bottle. Then, mist evenly over the entire orchid, including the stem, leaves, and root area. When misting, be sure to spray both sides of the leaves, especially the underside. This is where the plant absorbs nutrients most effectively and where insects often hide. The mild solution made from bread, aloe vera gel, and vitamin B1 provides quick moisture, helps restore wrinkled leaves, and stimulates strong new root growth. Misting allows the nutrients to spread evenly and be absorbed gently without overloading the plant. You should do this 1 to 2 times per month, preferably in the early morning or late afternoon. Avoid spraying during intense sunlight to ensure safer and more effective absorption. By consistently applying this method, you will see the orchid leaves gradually become firm and green again, the roots grow stronger, and the plant noticeably become healthier over time. Method 3. Watering the orchid base. Finally, pour the remaining solution into a watering can and gently water evenly around the base of the orchid. When watering, pour slowly so the solution gradually penetrates the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients effectively and safely. The solution made from bread, aloe vera gel, and vitamin B1 provides a gentle source of nutrition, helping to restore weak roots, stimulate strong new root growth, and enable the plant to regain vitality from within. When the roots are healthy, their ability to absorb water and nutrients improves, the leaves become less wrinkled and greener, and the plant grows more steadily over time. You can apply this base watering method once every 2 to 3 weeks, alternating it with the other care techniques. After watering evenly around the base, you can place the entire orchid pot into this fertilizer solution and soak it for about 20 minutes. This time is enough for the roots to gradually absorb water and nutrients, helping the plant recover effectively while remaining safe, without causing waterlogging or root shock. During soaking, the nutrients from bread, aloe vera gel, and vitamin B1 penetrate deeply into the growing medium, nourishing the roots from within, stimulating strong new root growth and supporting the plant to regain vitality more quickly. After soaking, lift the pot out, let it drain, and place the plant in a well-ventilated spot with gentle light. By applying this method every 2 to 3 weeks, along with proper care, you will soon notice your orchids recovering noticeably, with firm green leaves and a healthier plant day by day. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils after watering or soaking, use a soft cotton pad or clean cloth to gently wipe it off immediately. This is very important because if water lingers in the leaf axils or at the tips, the orchid can easily rot or become infected with fungi, especially in high humidity conditions. Wiping dry keeps the plant well ventilated, limits bacterial growth, and protects both the leaves and the growing tips. With this simple but careful step, you help your orchid stay safe after care, grow healthier, and develop steadily over the long term. Results. After a period of care, orchids treated with this method show very noticeable changes, visible to the naked eye. New roots continuously form, becoming plump and strong, with green tips firmly anchoring into the growing medium and functioning very well. This is an important sign that the plant has truly recovered from within. Orchid leaves become sturdier, thicker, and glossy green, with previously wrinkled, soft, or weak leaves noticeably improved. The plant stands more upright, grows steadily, and is less affected by environmental conditions. Especially for orchids that haven't bloomed for a long time, new flower spikes begin to appear, showing that the plant has enough nutrients and health to enter the reproductive stage. For flowering orchids, blooms last longer on the stem, with brighter, more durable colors and less dropping than before. On the Wonder Garden channel, I regularly share many simple, easy-to-apply care methods for orchids and other ornamental plants, making full use of safe, natural ingredients. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with fellow orchid lovers, and subscribe to Wonder Garden to join me in caring for your garden every day, keeping orchids healthy and blooming beautifully over time.